akekho available ubhizi yazi nje siyahlangana umuntu ngibona ukuthi nginey'nkondlo ezimbalwa ngiyafisa ukuthi zipublisheke awangilahla kanjalo ke nobili so kodwa-ke wanginika an-alternative publisher ngakwazi ukuthola nami ithiwa lokuthi ngipublishe and ekupublisheni kwethu uma sihlangana ama-events nani ngizwe ukuthi uyi-poet and mina ama-poets amanye ngiyawabamba ngezandla ngoba we are few. I-poetry into edinga ukuthi ngampela uyi-understande ujule ayisheshi njengezinye izinto akuyona into oyibamba noma kanjani nje. I-poetry is beautiful and edinga umuntu onesikhathi and you know azinike isikhathi sokuthi ayilalele ajule ngayo. Abantu abajulayo kakhulu ama-poets and mina kungiphathe kambi ukuthi inkondlo zibe incwadi yakho esi-11 Mr. Thulani ngoba kahle buhlala uthi ngiyi-poet ithi mina i-poet enjani engenazo iy'nkondlo esizaziyo. So nje uthe masebhala incwadi wasethi awuyibuke ke Moonlight, igama lami ngu-Moonlight Zanele Ngubane, ngisuka le Nzonga eBhamshela. Njengoba ngila nami ngijabulela ukuthi Thulani comes from humble beginnings. Sabantu abamnyama today mina ngithi sizo-celebrate black excellence. Sabantu abamnyama sizibukela phansi ngomunye wabo kuze kwacishe kwashaya u-40 ngenancwadi ngoba ngizibukela phansi ngingayitsheli lamagama amabili amathathu engiwashoyo khona umuntu ongathinteka ngawo. So mangabe ngibuka abantu manje ngoThulani bebhala-ke usenza sibuke kabili uThulani. Sababhali sikhona labambala ngaphakathi nje mayikhipha incwadi sihleziphi vela khipha incwadi 3 months awusikhipha incwadi hayibo 3 months siyibona njengabantu abangenzi lutho uyasi-encourage-ke mfowethu nje wena shuthi uyakwazi ukwenza faster and ukwenze ngendlela efanele. Siyafunda kuwena and nje siyakulandela mhlambe nasi sithi nje incwadi sesikhipha incwadi ka-20 size sikudlule. Black excellence is amongst us. Ukuthi uvelaphi esikhathi siningi abantu ababhali asibaziyo sazi baqhamuka kaMashu baqhamuka eMlazi bama-lawyers bayizinto ey'nkulu. Mina I'm just a social worker obhalile nami incwadi ngendlela yami. Isikhathi esiningi there are no social workers who write books but we are changing indlela ekwenzeka ngayo izinto. uThulani naye is changing la qhamuka khona ukuthi abantu bangakhona babone ukuthi emakhaya ngoba incwadi njengoba eyibhala uyayiveza ukuthi uqhamuka ekhaya lingenayo ngisho ubaba raised by a single parent kwakunzima kangakanani kodwa namhlanje he holds a master's degree. We need to celebrate. So nje I'm sitting here proud ukuthi uyasidonsa mfowethu sababhali baningi abantu osubasizile abababhali obadonsayo oba-advisayo and ngampela ngiyababona futhi nabo bephumelela. Siyadinga ukubambana ngingathi mangabe ukhona usuphumelele sekhona into okwazi ukuzenza kangcono ebese uyasishiya. Namhlanje nami I can publish. My third book is a book of my own work. I asked you for advice wangiqondisa ukuthi ngiye kuphi and I'm proud to say there is Moonlight Zanele Creations who published a book. And actually siyabazi abantu masebekhipha incwadi zo-11 abasahambi nala sihamba khona abasathinteki awusakwazi nobafonela ubuze nje ukuthi mfowethu wena wenze kanjani akunike leyo advice. Ngingakhuluma kakhulu-ke kodwa-ke ngeke ngingenzi nami inkondlo eyodwa engiyibhalile trying to understand umfowethu la from the 5 years that I've known him as an author. I wrote some things ngoba nami njengoba kade esho umfowethu ingabulala nini ngize ngicabanga ukuthi ngabe nompilo usho ukuthi mhlawumbe you get neglected dadewethu. But I'm happy ukuthi ula and you are happy to support your husband. Enye into mina enginothayo, there are many divorces, there are many broken relationships. Imishado ngiyayibona even kuma-celebrities ihlephuka kangakanani. So mfowethu umekwazi ukubhala about love and appreciating ifamily yakhe ngale ndlela enza ngayo is teaching our society and changing indlela esenza ngayo izinto and we are learning. Ngiyabonga mfowethu ngokwenza kanjalo ungathi ubhale incwadi ubhale about other things ezinge-unrelated ukukhulisa i-society yethu. So I wrote a poem here long ago. There he was standing tall across the hall with his hands on his pockets. His beard messy, had no sleep, his mind had been working overtime, overnight, on a laptop, on flip-flops. His pages filled with messages, thoughtful and powerful messages for the world. There he was, smiling. He is happy to pen down his vibrant thoughts. He is a man of his word, a man of God. Whoever thought? There he was, mastering the mysteries of life, strangely, never struggling to juggle work, life, loving his wife and his family, and producing wise publications. The public awaits. Stand tall, Yeyeye. Stand tall, we ululate. Thank you.
Thank you.